Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to customize the personal display on your dashboard. So basically, let me show you how to customize these plates over here on the left side of your screen. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the arrows on your steering wheel. So if you use, for example, the right arrow, you can enter here settings. Let's use the right arrow a few times. Press OK button to enter settings. Scroll down to choose the third option, which is the personal display. Now all you need to do is enter this personal display, and under personal display you've got a few interesting things that you can use. Right now we are using the blank options, so we don't show anything right there, but we can show the navigation. This is the compass, time to destination, energy economy. It could be since reset, since start, or since charge. We can also show here a trip, gear position. We can show here the average speed, also since reset, since start, or since charge. Or we can also show here the brake lamp. So generally speaking, it's a lot of things that you can here check out. In my case, let me, for example, choose here the navigation. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.